Good morning everyone, another design part today guys. Able to siya guys or kumot. Nakasalang siya tatlong kumot yan nakasalang guys. Yung design niya ay star or blue. Design part today. Ayan siya guys. Finish na to siya na kumot with piping na to siya guys. Ready to deliver na po siya. Binurdahan na lang po siya ng design. Nilagyan na lang ng design. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Bye!